Mazda is rolling out 8 specific changes to the 2026 CX-70 that directly address what buyers have been complaining about since this SUV launched. If you've been on the fence about purchasing a CX-70 because of concerns about pricing, interior quality, or hybrid performance, these updates are designed specifically to solve those problems. While most automakers make you wait years for meaningful improvements, Mazda is delivering better hybrid efficiency, lower prices, upgraded materials, and smarter safety tech all in one model year. Let's break down all 8 genius changes in the 2026 Mazda CX-70. Number 8. Plug-in hybrid gets better range and smoother transition. The 2026 model is receiving a recalibrated battery management system that's going to squeeze additional miles out of the existing 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The electric-only range climbs from 26 miles to a 30-mile range. If your commute sits at 25 miles each way, those extra few miles of electric range mean completing both directions without burning a single drop of gasoline rather than watching the gas engine fire up halfway through your return trip. The second improvement targets the transition between electric and gas power. Anyone who's driven a plug-in hybrid knows that jarring moment when the combustion engine kicks in, shattering the peaceful electric glide you've been enjoying. Mazda's solution involves refined engine mounting points and updated software calibration that coordinates the power handoff far more gracefully. The combustion engine is going to engage so smoothly that passengers won't even realize the switch has occurred. So better range and smoother operation sound great, but what if the plug-in hybrid is still priced out of reach? That's where the next change becomes a game changer. Number 7. Plug-in hybrid gets cheaper too. Mazda is dropping the entry price for the plug-in hybrid version by approximately $2,000 for the 2026 model year. The previous CX-70 PHEV Premium started at around $56,650, which meant buyers were paying nearly $14,000 more than the base turbocharged model. With the 2026 model starting closer to $54,500, the gap narrows to around $12,000. Mazda is also making the Premium Plus PHEV trim more affordable, dropping from approximately $59,150 to around $57,000. When you combine these lower MSRPs with the federal tax credit of up to $7,500, the effective price difference between gas and plug-in hybrid versions shrinks dramatically. Factor in the fuel savings from electric-only commuting, and the plug-in hybrid could actually cost you less over a typical ownership period. Lower prices on the PHEV are excellent, but the entire trim structure was confusing shoppers, which is exactly what Mazda decided to fix next. Number 6. Trim restructuring. The 2026 CX-70 is consolidating from 5 trims down to 4 more clearly defined options: Preferred, Preferred Plus, Premium, and Premium Plus. This restructuring isn't about reducing choices, it's about making sure each trim level offers a distinct value proposition without unnecessary overlap. By eliminating the old base trim entirely, Mazda is ensuring that even the most affordable CX-70 comes loaded with features that used to require stepping up to mid-level trims. On the other hand, the Premium Plus sits at the top with exclusive features that justify its price premium, while the premium trim is being repositioned as the sweet spot for buyers who want luxury without paying for every bell and whistle. That simplified structure sounds promising, but what actually comes standard on that entry-level preferred trim? That's where things get really interesting. Number 5. Feature upgrade on the preferred trim. The 2026 Preferred is gaining power folding side mirrors, an upgraded 10.25-inch center display, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard equipment. That last addition is particularly noteworthy because the previous model required you to physically plug in your phone. We've all experienced that moment of fumbling with the charging cable while trying to back out of a parking spot. Wireless connectivity eliminates that entire hassle. Your phone stays in your pocket or bag where it belongs. The Preferred trim is also receiving an upgraded audio system, jumping from 6 speakers to 8. When you add heated front seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and dual-zone automatic climate control to the standard equipment list, the value proposition becomes compelling enough to make mid-level trims from other brands seem overpriced by comparison. Better standard features are great for everyday driving, but what about when you need to put this SUV to work? That brings us to one of the most practical improvements. Number 4. Upgraded towing experience. The maximum towing capacity remains unchanged at 5,000 pounds with the turbo engine, but several behind-the-scenes improvements are making that capability far more usable in real-world conditions. The first major upgrade involves the transmission programming. Mazda engineers discovered that the 6-speed automatic was occasionally hunting for the right gear when climbing hills with heavy loads. Anyone who's towed a boat or camper up a mountain pass knows that constant shifting that makes you wonder if you're about to damage something expensive. The 2026 model features recalibrated shift logic that holds gears longer under load and downshifts more decisively when additional power is needed. Trailer sway control has also been enhanced with faster responding algorithms that detect and correct wayward trailer movement more effectively. If you've ever experienced trailer sway on a windy highway, you know how quickly a minor oscillation can escalate into a white-knuckle situation. The updated system intervenes earlier and more gently, applying individual wheel brakes to bring everything back in line. Performance upgrades are important, but appearance matters too, especially when Mazda discovered what buyers really wanted from their CX-70's exterior styling. Number 3. Standard blacked-out package. Mazda is recognizing what buyers have been telling them through sales data. Customers overwhelmingly prefer the murdered-out aesthetic with black exterior trim over traditional chrome accents. Rather than continuing to charge extra for this appearance package, Mazda is making it standard across all 2026 CX70 trims. This means every model is going to feature black grille surrounds, black mirror caps, black roof rails, and black window trim as standard equipment. The visual transformation is significant, giving even base models a more aggressive premium appearance that used to be reserved for higher trims or costly option packages. A more aggressive exterior is one thing, but staying safe behind the wheel matters even more, which is why Mazda's safety system overhaul deserves your attention. Number 2. Updated safety systems. Mazda's iActiveSense safety suite is receiving meaningful updates that improve both capability and usability, two areas where last year's system showed room for growth. The front-facing camera system is being upgraded to a higher resolution unit with a wider field of view and improved performance in low-light conditions. We've all been there, driving home at dusk when your safety systems start throwing false warnings, or worse, miss actual hazards because the camera can't process what it's seeing. The 2026 model is going to maintain consistent performance across a much broader range of weather and lighting scenarios. Adaptive cruise control is receiving particular attention, with updated algorithms that create more natural acceleration and deceleration patterns. If you've used the previous system, you've probably noticed the occasionally jerky braking when approaching slower traffic. The 2026 calibration smooths out these transitions dramatically. Blind spot monitoring is also getting smarter, with enhanced detection of motorcycles and bicycles that often went unnoticed by earlier systems. The detection zone is being expanded rearward to provide earlier warnings, giving you more reaction time to make safe lane changes. Safety tech is critical, but you spend most of your time interacting with the interior, and that's where Mazda saved the most significant improvements for last. Number 1. Improved cabin materials and tech features. The interior refinements for 2026 address the biggest criticism leveled at the CX-70, that certain materials and finishes didn't quite match the premium positioning Mazda was aiming for. Mazda is upgrading the dashboard materials across all trim levels, replacing hard plastics in high-touch areas with softer, more tactile surfaces that better communicate quality. The door panels are receiving special attention, with improved padding and upgraded upholstery that eliminates the hollow economy car feel that plagued lower trims. You notice this stuff every single time you rest your arm on the door, surfaces you touch dozens of times per drive. Tech improvements extend to the infotainment system, which is receiving a significant software update that addresses laggy performance and unintuitive menu structures. The touchscreen response time is being dramatically improved, eliminating the frustrating delay between pressing an icon and actually getting a response. What makes the 2026 CX70 particularly compelling is how these 8 changes work together to address real ownership concerns, rather than just adding flashy features nobody asked for. Better hybrid efficiency at a lower price point solves the affordability problem. Upgraded towing capabilities make it more practical for actual work. Enhanced safety systems provide genuine peace of mind, and improved interior materials finally match the premium experience Mazda promised from the start. These aren't the kinds of incremental updates automakers typically make between model years. They represent Mazda listening to feedback and delivering meaningful solutions. Updates are mostly subtle, but together they make a big difference. But if you really want to know what big changes look like, make sure to check out our next video about the 2026 Subaru Outback. It's received a full redesign, with design changes that fundamentally changed its overall design.